So I just got home from PyCon in Germany last week and I had a blast, of course. It was a fantastic conference, about 2,000 people there. The talks were amazing, I had lots of great conversations with people and the food was pretty epic too. But what I want to do today is share with you one of my favorite talks that I attended at PyCon. It was a talk by Jean-Luc Stevens from Anaconda entitled Seeing Both the Needle and the Haystack. And it tackled the problem of seeing single data points when plotting billion data point datasets. And of course, all credit to Jean-Luc for coming up with this notebook and the great talk around it. I'm really just riffing off and sharing his great work here. All right, so let's jump in. So here's the notebook. Let's scroll down to illustrate the problem with regular plotting. So this is a regular interactive plot, which is great because you can see individual data points with information. But because there's so many data points, they start to overlap and you lose sight of the big picture. Now, Datashader is one of the solutions that arrived a couple of years ago to solve this problem by creating gradients that indicate the number of data points that are located on the same pixel. Now, this creates both very meaningful and also very stunning visualizations. It's very cool stuff. The problem with Datashader, however, at least in its original form, is that it generates static images. So if we scroll over here, we can't see any information about the individual data points. And this is really just a static image. Now, what Jean-Luc illustrated in his talk is that hvplot has been expanded with a new feature, the inspect method. And this method allows you to create plots that basically check all the marks. They let you plot large million or billion data point datasets using the gradient method without sacrificing any of the other features. So you can pan this plot, you can zoom in to specific areas, and you can get information of single data points. So of course, as someone who regularly works with large data sets with Dask, I found this talk super exciting because it's really the best of both worlds. I can have my cake and eat it. I can see both the needle and zoom out to see the haystack. And here's a picture of me chilling in a random haystack. Who gave me permission to wear that shirt? Let me know what you think of these videos and maybe leave a comment with the biggest dataset you've ever had to visualize. And let me know how you solve this problem of seeing both single data points and the bigger picture. Thanks for watching.